Meet the 73 Porsche 911 Carrera RS. This is one of the approximately 1500 legendary Porsche Carrera RS series, produced in late 1972 and early in 73. The first owner of the car was the German rally driver Peter Rumpfkeil. During his 3-year ownership, the car participated in several rallies. In December 1977, fellow Danish rally champion Flemming Hersted acquired the car. Flemming and his son participated in many Danish and international races in the car over the following years, including the Monte Carlo rally in 78 and in 79. 4 years later, Jürgen Schulz was standing at a dealership north of Copenhagen looking at the battered Porsche 911 after being tipped off by a friend. With its white body and spoiler, Jürgen loved this 911 and traded his brand new BMW for it. However, both parties were completely unaware of the rarity of this Porsche. When Jürgen became aware that the car he had acquired was an original Carrera RS, he began using the car for what it was made for: racing. During the 2000s, Jürgen decided to fully restore the car to its former glory, as when it first rolled out of the Porsche factory in Zuffenhausen, Stuttgart. The value of an original Porsche Carrera RS skyrocketed over the years, so in 2015 Jürgen decided to trade his beloved 911. Shortly after the sale, a replacement for the Carrera RS was found, as Jürgen was offered the already sold-out Porsche Cayman GT4. He bought the car together with his childhood friend Niels, who had originally tipped Jürgen to buy the Carrera RS back in 1983. The color combo was a no-brainer, and a couple of months later, the racing yellow Cayman GT4 finally arrived. Now, your watch is the end of this story.